So we're going to talk about how to do this worksheet in case you need a little bit of help or a little confused. So up here we have the DNA. Notice it's got A's, T's, C's, and G's. We have to fill in the mRNA first. So remember, with messenger RNA, or with RNA, we don't have T, we have a U. So A is going to match with U, all right? And then our C is going to match with G. Look at the first one, ATG. Well, we know A matches with U, right? Normally it would match with a T, but it's going to match with a U here, okay? T matches with A, okay? And then G matches with C. So RNA can have A, right? So T always goes with A. That's fine. RNA can have an A. But RNA cannot have a T. So we put a U there. So if we look at the next one, A matches with U, C with G, and T usually goes with A. So you just keep going across, A with U, G with C, C with G, okay? Now, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna fill in the amino acids. AA stands for amino acids. So in order to do that, we need to use our codon chart. I put a link to the codon chart here. So what you can either do is split your screen, like I'm gonna do, and we can put the codon chart on one side, and we can put our other document on the other side. So you could do that, or you can scroll back and forth. I do have it at the bottom of this document, or you could pull it up on your phone, or you could print it off. Any of those would work. So remember, mRNA, messenger RNA, has the codons that we're going to be using in this chart. And if you get confused, just remember that there aren't any T's in this chart, so we can't use DNA. We've got to use messenger RNA. So remember, I'm going to find the first letter here. First letter is U. Then I'm going to find my second letter. Okay, second letter, I'm going to be looking in the second tier. Okay, because the U, I already know it's got to be in this upper right-hand corner. So U, and then I've got A, and then I've got C. So this codes for tyrosine. So I could write out tyrosine, right? You could write that out, or you can just abbreviate using the first three letters, okay? Then my next one, UGA. So again, find the first letter in the middle, U, second letter out here, so G, and the third letter, A, right? So this codes for a stop. So this would mean that the protein would stop, okay? And then our third one here, UCG, right? I've got a U, okay, then a C, and then a G. So this would be serine. And then you'll keep going, continuing doing this. When you get down here, you're going to go backwards, right? So you already have the messenger RNA. So you can use the messenger RNA and find your amino acids, but then you're going to go backwards, right? So U is like a T, right? We can't have T's in messenger RNA, so we have a U. So U matches with A. U matches with A, G with C. Okay, remember DNA has A's, T's, C's, and G's, so you should have those in your chart here.